Welcome again from Fitness Depot. Paul Riley here to help you with maintaining your bike properly. So on a spin bike, if you have one that is a brake pad or a leather strap, often you'll see there is a groove, or on the wheel there's a leather strap that's hidden underneath the top of the bike. So you can do this from the ground when it's sitting flat against the ground. You put 3-in-1 oil along this edge, pedal backwards on the bike, just lightly applying tension on the bike, and that will reach the front of the brake pad, and then just pedaling forward and applying a little bit of force on the brake pad, this lever that's here for tension. That's one part that's important to maintain. The second part is just checking your pedals. The pedals themselves have a 5/8 box wrench end here between the pedal and the crank, and you basically put the wrench on that part at the rear position here, pushing down to the floor with the wrench to tighten this pedal forward, and that will get rid of any potential wear that you might have on the pedal if they're getting loose after a lot of use, and the noise that you may hear from a brake pad being too dry and not getting lubricated properly. If it's a magnetic type, you don't have to worry about the tension adjustment, just the pedals. Have a great day. Again, Paul Riley from Fitness Depot. Talk to you soon.